As concerns continue about the country's murder rate, two former police commissioners are this evening sharing their views on what should be done about crime. Owen Ellington and Rear Admiral Harley Lewin were guests at the latest Gleaner Editors Forum.
The government's use of states of public emergency SOEs to curtail violent crime is again facing backlash, this time from two former police commissioners speaking at a Gleaner Editors Forum. Owen Ellington, who was in the force for 34 years, believes the moral breakdown of the society is a major contributor to crime.
But the truth of the matter is that we've been a violent society for well over 50 years. We've been a society that embraces lawlessness. It's actually culturally rooted, the way we conduct ourselves, both at home and abroad. We have a overworked police force, which oftentimes is even overproducing in terms of the amount of arrests that they make, guns they seize, drugs they seize, etc. But policing is interdependent. It has to depend on other arms of the criminal justice system for the kind of results that we want to see.
According to Mr. Ellington's predecessor, Rear Admiral Harley Lewin, criminals pay scant regard to the penalties associated with crime. It's the reason he's calling for stronger measures to be put in place.
Before he commits that crime, and the calculation is this: what is the probability that I will not be caught and convicted? And I think he considers that far more than the sentence. He doesn't care about the sentence. What is the probability of me being caught and convicted of this crime if I commit it? That's the deterrent.
Another front on which the police are being challenged is communication. Gov't Grant, who served as Deputy Commissioner from 2014 to 2018, believes effective communication is a key element lacking in the JCF.
Even the public who might not be directly involved, they can't see it, they can't hear it, they don't know what is happening. So the communication portion of it is also weak.
And it's a position Mr. Ellington also supports.
It's difficult for any person to join in an intelligent discussion about the need for, as well as the lack of need for, a state of emergency. And I think that's where the communication has broken down, both between the operational side and the policy side.
Jamaica has tallied over 100 murders since the start of the year, and while fighting crime and violence may seem like an uphill battle, the former top cops believes harsher penalties and swifter trials should be part of new measures going forward. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.